Lily met Emma on the first day of high school. Lily was sitting alone near the window, her bag on her lap, her eyes fixed on the desk. She always sat like that, trying to look small, trying not to be noticed. New places made her nervous, and new people made her quiet. She could hear laughter around her, loud voices, chairs moving, but none of it felt like it belonged to her. Then Emma walked in. She came in with confidence, her steps fast and light, her voice already filling the room. She smiled as if she knew everyone, even though it was her first day too. She looked around the classroom, then saw Lily sitting alone. "Hi," Emma said brightly. "Can I sit here?" Lily looked up, surprised. Her heart beat faster. "Yes, sure," she said softly. Emma dropped her bag on the chair and sat down like it was the most natural thing in the world. She started talking right away, asking Lily questions, laughing, telling stories. Lily mostly listened, nodding, smiling when she could. It felt strange, but also warm. Someone chose her. Someone wanted to sit next to her. From that day, they were together all the time. They walked to class together. They sat together. They ate lunch together. Emma talked. Lily listened. And Lily liked it that way. Lily had never had many friends. She was shy. She didn't like her nose. She didn't like her teeth. She didn't like how her hair never looked right. She always felt like she was not enough, like she was standing one step behind everyone else. Emma was the opposite. Emma was loud. Emma was confident. Emma was noticed. And because of Emma, Lily felt noticed too. "You're really quiet," Emma said one day, smiling. "I like that. You're different." Lily smiled back. No one had ever said that to her before. Soon, they started calling each other best friends. They took pictures together, even though Lily hated photos. They shared secrets during lunch. They promised they would always stay friends. Lily believed every word. At home, she talked about Emma all the time. "She's funny," Lily told her mother. "She understands me." Her mother smiled and said she was happy Lily had found a good friend. At first, everything felt safe. Then the jokes started. They were small at the beginning, easy to laugh off. One day, Emma looked at Lily's shoes and laughed. "Wow, those are really old." Some students nearby laughed too. Lily laughed with them, even though her stomach felt tight. "It's just a joke," Emma said. "Don't be so sensitive." Lily nodded. She didn't want to seem difficult. She didn't want to lose her only friend. After that, the jokes came more often, about her clothes, about her hair, about her body. Emma always laughed first, and when Emma laughed, others followed. One morning, Lily wore a new dress to school. She had saved money for it. She stood in front of the mirror at home and smiled. For the first time in a long time, she felt pretty. At school, Emma looked at her and laughed loudly. "Why are you wearing that?" she said. "You look like someone's aunt." The girls around them laughed. Lily's face burned. She felt like everyone was staring at her. She wanted to disappear. That night, Lily cried quietly in her bed, covering her mouth with her pillow so no one would hear her. The next day, she still sat next to Emma, because being hurt with a friend felt better than being alone. One afternoon, they were walking down the school hallway. It was crowded and noisy. Students were laughing, pushing, and talking. Emma was telling a story, walking fast. Suddenly, she pushed Lily hard. Lily lost her balance and fell to the floor. Her books flew out of her bag and slid across the hallway. The noise stopped for a second. Then laughter. Emma laughed the loudest. "Oh my God," she said. "You're so clumsy." Lily sat on the floor, frozen. Her knees hurt, her hands hurt, but her chest hurt more than anything else. Emma didn't help her up. Students walked past. Some looked, some laughed. No one helped. When Lily finally stood up, her eyes were full of tears. "Why did you push me?" she asked quietly. Emma rolled her eyes. "Relax. It was an accident." But Lily knew it wasn't. Lily's birthday was coming soon. She didn't usually celebrate, but this year she wanted to try. She invited a few classmates, and of course, she invited Emma. Lily even made a gift for Emma, even though it was her own birthday. She made a handmade bracelet. She stayed up late working on it, carefully choosing the colors, thinking of Emma while she worked. On the day of the party, Lily felt nervous but excited. People came. They ate cake. They talked and laughed. Then Lily opened her gifts. She smiled and thanked everyone, even when the gifts were small. Then Emma stood up. "Can I say something?" Emma said loudly. Everyone looked. Emma picked up one of Lily's gifts. "Who gives this as a birthday gift?" she laughed. "It looks so cheap." People laughed. Lily felt sick. Emma picked up another gift. "And this?" she continued. "Wow, Lily really has no taste." Lily's hands started shaking. Her heart beat fast. This was her birthday, her special day. Then Emma held up the bracelet Lily made. "You made this?" Emma asked. Lily nodded. Emma laughed. "This is embarrassing." She dropped it on the floor. Something broke inside Lily. She ran to her room and locked the door. She slid down to the floor and cried, pressing her hands against her ears. Outside, she could still hear laughter. After that day, Lily changed. At school, she became quiet again. Quieter than before. She sat alone. She ate alone. She avoided looking at anyone. Emma didn't care. She found new friends. She laughed louder than ever. Sometimes she pointed at Lily and whispered. People laughed again. Lily started believing every cruel word Emma had ever said. She stopped smiling. She stopped raising her hand in class. She stopped believing she was worth anything. One day, she looked at herself in the mirror and didn't like what she saw at all. Then, one afternoon, a new girl sat next to her. "Are you okay?" the girl asked gently. Her name was Sarah. Lily didn't answer at first, but Sarah stayed. Day after day. She didn't laugh at Lily. She didn't judge her. She listened. Slowly, Lily told her everything. Sarah looked angry. "That's not friendship," she said. "That's bullying." Those words stayed in Lily's heart. A few days later, Emma made another joke in class. Lily stood up. Her legs were shaking. "Stop," Lily said. The room went silent. Emma laughed. "Oh, wow! She can talk." Lily took a deep breath. "You hurt me," she said. "You embarrassed me. You were never my friend." No one laughed. Emma's smile disappeared. Lily walked away. For the first time in her life, she felt strong. Life didn't change overnight, but it slowly became better. Lily made new friends. She joined a club. She laughed again. She learned that not everyone who smiles at you is your friend, and walking away from someone who hurts you is not weakness. It is a strength. And Lily finally learned to choose herself.